Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send an invitation to your home game, cash game, or tournament to your friends on Pokerstars so you can start playing together. I'm doing this on computer because I don't think you can play home games on your mobile device on Pokerstars. So home games is the third basically button on the top row right here. Go to home games and go to your home games club, My Tech Mastery Club right here. And what you can do is press this share button. And if you go to basically the green button right here, it says copy instructions. You can copy that link and then you can either send that via email or text message or Facebook Messenger, Instagram, wherever, basically send that information to your friends. They will need to go onto PokerStars, go into the home club section. They will need to take that information, go onto PokerStars, go onto this little button right here. It says join a club. And they can type in or copy and paste the club ID, the invitation code, your name as well, and press join club. From there, you'll be able to interact in the same home games club, and then they'll be able to actually join any cash games that you set up or any tournaments that you've set up as well and start playing with your friends. Anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.